Good morning, teacher. My name is Vanida Hasbut. The title of my document review is Gout Risk Factors from Eating and Self-Treatment. First of all, I would like to start with saying something a little bit about gout disease in the history. In the era of Henry VIII in England, the historians believed that Henry had gout due to excessive consumption of meat and alcohol, and moreover, Benjamin Franklin was so afflicted with gout that he wrote it in 1780 conversation between him and gout as well. Therefore, gout disease was known as the disease of rich people or the disease of the kings because of their rich in consumption, food and beverages along those lines. And for nowadays, too much having food is also one factor that leads to gout. With that being said, there are several factors, right? But before we go to more details, I would like to explain about gout briefly. Gout is described as the hot, red pain with raised bump on the skin, and the most common inflammatory arthritis will happen when the body has too much uric acid in the blood, also known as hyperuricemia, and the gout happens unexpectedly and without warning. Alright, let's jump right into the main topic today, which is gout risk factor from eating. We have to remember that uric acid is the key of this disease, and the uric can come from the purines, fructose, and ethanol. Well, I would like to elaborate on them. Purines is high in uric acid precursors. Therefore, eating too much purines-rich foods, for example, red meat, seafoods, beans, or meat-based soups lead to increases the uric acid in the blood. And next is fructose. According to Curhen's research 2008, suggests that the consuming too many sugar-rich soft drinks and fruit juice that have fructose may also increase the uric as well. And the last one is ethanol. Ethanol is source of purines. These compounds produce uric acid when broken down by the body, and the alcohol also increases the metabolism of nucleotides. These are additional sources of purines that can be turned into uric acid. And beer had a greater effects than spirits, whereas wine has not increased the risk of gout. And this is the basics of process our body when we got too much uric and the kinase cannot remove it well. And finally, gout causes by built up to joints of the bodies. With that being said, people with kinase disease is the one factor that causes gout. Alright, a bit back to the history that I mentioned earlier. This is the reasons why the king or the rich people in the past had gout, and maybe the history correct, right? And however, the self-treatment are available for gout patients, and they have two ways. For the first way, by non-medicine treatment, the patients raise the lamps and apply the ice packs for 20 minutes is also help reduce the pain. And another one is vitamin C has a potential to prevent the hyperuricemia. So gout pains can be reduced by taking vitamin C. And next to the medical medicine treatments, the American College of Rheumatology 2012 suggests that treats by using three main drugs. For the first one is cortisone, and next non-steroid, and the last one anti-inflammatories for self-treatment to occur hydrotis in gout. Well, that's all my presentation for today. Thank you for your time.
อย่าลืมกดไลค์ กดแชร์ หรือกด subscribe ที่สำคัญกดกระดิ่งเพื่อติดตามสาระดีๆจากคณะ LA ของเราด้วยนะคะ